Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a really fun drugstore packed video. So we're going to be doing a full face of makeup using only products that are $10 or under. Nothing more than $10, so a bunch of awesome, affordable makeup. I love these kinds of videos, so I thought it would be fun to share one of these with you guys. Before we get into it, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you like these kinds of videos or just makeup in general, gotta make sure you subscribe to my channel. But if you want to see me do a full face of makeup using all products under $10, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. The first product that I'm going to be using is primer. This one is from E.L.F. It is the Poreless Face Primer. I really like this as a pore filling primer. And this one goes for $10. So I am just applying a little bit of everywhere, but mostly where I have pores. I just really like how this completely smooths out my face. It feels just like a nice, fresh, blank canvas. So now that I'm completely smooth, I'm going in with foundation. So the foundation I'm using for today's video is the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth Fit Me foundation. This one's for normal to dry skin. You guys know I like my foundations to be dewy or a natural finish, so I went with this over the matte version. This goes for $7.99, so super inexpensive. Let me just move my hair back for this part. And the only thing I don't like about this foundation is that there's no pump, so it's kind of like an accident waiting to happen. So literally if they added just a pump, this foundation would be everything and more, but gotta just work with what we've got. And for this foundation, by the way, you guys, I am in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So if you have a similar complexion to mine, that's what I am. And by the way, I'm linking everything in the description box for this whole video. So of course, if you're interested in getting all these products, I have them all linked down below. Just a thank you in advance if you do click on one of the links I have in my description box. If you click on one of those links and buy the products from there, I make a small commission because those are affiliate links. So thank you guys in advance if you do decide to do that. I appreciate it so much and I love you guys. Thank you. But back to the video. After I finished my foundation, I'm going in with concealer, and this is such a good concealer, you guys. If you don't have this, you are missing out. It's so good. It is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. This one goes for $9.99. You just twist like this top and then just apply to wherever you apply concealer to. I really like this concealer for an everyday kind of thing. I feel like it really covers up what I want it to. It's super easy to blend out. I just really like everything about it. The only thing is, if you're planning to use this on anyone, I just wouldn't, because this is not really like a sanitary tip, I would say. The next product I am using is the AIRSPUN Loose Face Powder, and this is in Naturally Neutral. This product goes for like $5.97, so it's super affordable, but I really like this powder. It comes with one of these little powder things. I just like to use a brush though, so I will just pat some out onto the lid. Just take any random brush and next, we are going to do bronzer. So this one is from NYX. It is just the matte bronzer, and this goes for $10. I got this in the shade medium. So I'm just taking a random brush that I use to do bronzer, and I'm just doing it how I normally would. My favorite drugstore bronzer is the Physicians Formula, but that one is more than $10. So I couldn't use it in this video, but this one is also really good for bronzing up the face. It is a little bit more of that kind of red undertone, I would say, than the Physicians Formula. So if you like a little bit more of a red hint, this is a really good one. So now that I'm bronzed up, I am taking my favorite drugstore blush, and this is the Milani Baked Blush in shade 1, Dolce Pink. This goes for $7.99, and I am just absolutely obsessed. This is what I wear every single day when I'm going to work. This is just like my go-to that I always grab for no matter what. It's just really pretty. It has like the most beautiful peachy pink tone, and it has like a little hint of a glimmer to it, which is just absolutely beautiful. And you can coat this on your brush and it won't look like a crazy ton of blush on you, so I also love that about it. But I'll just put that on the apples and bring it up, and you can already see it's giving me such a beautiful flushed glow. It's just I always get complimented when I'm wearing this blush. And it's affordable. What more could I ask for? It's just so pretty. Get a little on the tip of my nose, give my nose a little flush. And you can see that just really brought my cheeks to life. I feel like I'm just like really like innocent, but not. Next is from the brand Makeup Obsession, which I'm not as familiar with than the rest of these brands. Most of these products are Maybelline because Maybelline is my weakness, but this brand is pretty new to me. It's called Makeup Obsession. This is the Mega Honey Highlighter. So excited about this one because it's just this like beautiful golden, like, it looks like a drugstore version of the Amrezy highlight from ABH, and I am here for it. So I'm gonna put that on my cheeks right up here. Wow. This is like an intense highlight for sure. Oh my goodness. How crazy is this? This goes for $4.99, so that is super impressive. Get the tip of my nose. You guys, this is wonderful. This is my first time trying this product. I saw it at the store and I was like, okay, I need to try this because just the color of it was screaming my name. And I am really happy right now. Like, look at this. So the next product that I am going to be using is brows. So this is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil. I think I want to do this off camera though because I have a video on how I do my brows already. I'm gonna do this off camera really quick and I will be right back. All right, brows are on. I really like this brow product. I feel like the way it's formulated, it just comes off really easy and it's super blendable. And I especially like how easy it is to kind of brush out in the front with the little brush that it comes with. Sometimes that can be a really big struggle with some products. So that's something that I thought was really easy and really doable with this. This goes for $6.99, by the way, so also super affordable. I'm just obsessed. I feel like I'm having a pretty good brow day, so love this product. And then next we are going to start working on some eyeshadow, and I'm using the City Mini palette by Maybelline, also another favorite of mine. It goes for $9.99, so again, all these products are really affordable, but I just really like these shades that are in here. They're all shades that I tend to gravitate towards the most. And I feel like this is a super travel friendly kind of palette because it's so small, but it really does have like all the shades that you need in a palette. So I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna use that in my crease. So I'm gonna take this dark shade now just to darken things up a little bit. Now I'm just taking this super light shade at the top and I'm going to use that in my brow bone. So I'm just going to apply up here gently. Now I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline Color Tattoo 24-hour eyeshadow in the shade Socialite, which is this really, really pretty pink color. This goes for $7.99. I'm just gonna take this and put it on my lid only. Now that I'm feeling pink enough in my lids, I will be doing eyeliner. For this one, I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. This one goes for $8.99. I have the mini size. I don't even know how I got the mini size, but the full size goes for $8.99. So that is also nice because it's still under $10. I think I'm going to do liner and mascara off camera though. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious Mascara, which goes for $9.99. I'm doing these two and my lashes off camera. It is the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies for the lashes. I'm just doing these off camera because I feel like I've done them so many times to where I doubt you guys want to see me take the time and do them on camera for you. So I'll do them off camera and then I will come back to show you what they look like. These lashes, by the way, go for like $5 or $6. So again, super inexpensive and they're such good eyelashes. They look super high quality, so I am obsessed. But I will be right back, you guys. I'm back looking good, feeling good with my liner and my lashes. So the second to last thing that I'm gonna do is lips. So for lips, I am taking the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. So I'm taking this and I'm using it as a lip liner. So I'm gonna line my lips as usual. It's called Reach High number 100. This stuff literally glides on your lips like butter. It's so smooth and it's so blendable. It's amazing. It feels so good on your lips. It's just, I love it. So then I'll just take it and blend in the middle with my finger just a little bit. So that you don't have any harsh edges, and it just created the most beautiful like gradient on my lips from middle to outer lip, and it's just amazing. Like, this color is everything for a nude, but I definitely do want a little gloss. When do I not want gloss, honestly? So this is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss with hyaluronic acid in the shade 8 Stone. I have been raving about this lip gloss to everyone I've had a chance to rave about it to because it is so beautiful. But I'm just taking that and putting it in the middle. Get a little on the upper lip. And that's it. I'm not gonna go too crazy with it. I'm not going all the way out to the sides with it. And it is just, my lips look very, very kissable now. I hope. This is the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. You guys know I love my dewy looks, so I had to go with the dewy setting spray. This goes for $9.99, so right under that $10 mark again, but I'm just taking this and I'm spraying it all over my face to make it all stay. So I really, really like how this setting spray works. It does make your makeup stay all day. It's really, really good. The only thing I'll say about it that I don't like is the fact that it has one of those regular like sprayer things. So sometimes when you spray, like bigger chunks will fly out, and then you'll have to kind of like maneuver that one spot around so it's not just like a wet spot on your face and it doesn't ruin the rest of your makeup. But other than that, it's a really, really good setting spray. I really, really like it. So I think now I covered all the products. That is all it took to do my entire face of makeup for products that are all under $10. So you don't have to break the bank to look good. You don't need to go and buy all the Dior, the Tom Ford. You can get away with drugstore products, very affordable products, and still look like a 10, or at least I hope I look like a 10. So yeah, I think I'm feeling and looking pretty good. I feel very, very confident about this makeup look right now. I think it looks really, really nice. It looks natural, but not natural, if you know what I mean. You guys know I'm a natural glam type of girl, and I feel like this is giving me exactly that. I recommend all of these. They were really good. I'm really enjoying this right now. I hope you guys did too. Please make sure to comment and let me know what you thought about this video. If you liked this idea, I can't credit it to myself because I know this concept has been done before, but I just love the idea of adding in those drugstore videos because who doesn't like affordable makeup that looks and performs really, really well? So of course I'm gonna do videos on them. But comment, let me know what you thought about the video. Let me know which product was your favorite. If you've tried any of these products, let me know what you guys are thinking. But yes, comment. Let me know your thoughts, you guys. Please make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you haven't already. Share this with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. I love you guys. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.